Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Teacher Erica, and today we will have a grammar lesson for beginners. So we are going to review 3 of the most common verbs in English and how to use them in present tense. When do we use present tense? Present tense is used when we are talking about a general fact or statement, something that is always true, or true in this moment in time, or when you are talking about something that you do frequently. For example, every day, every week, every Saturday, every summer. For most verbs, to conjugate in present tense, you will just add an s or es to the end of a verb in third person, which means for he, she, or it. The verb to like shows that you are interested in something. You enjoy it. I like. You like. He likes. She likes. It likes. We like. They like. Let's use this verb in a few sentences. I like fruit. This is a general statement about me. I like fruit. This is true for me in my life, or at this moment in time. So you have I is the subject pronoun, like is the verb, and fruit is a noun. Simple sentence in present tense. Or if you're talking about an activity, we use ing. For example, I like hiking. I like swimming. She likes dancing. Next verb, to go. For this verb, we add es for he, she, and it. I go. You go. He goes. She goes. It goes. We go. They go. Let's make some sentences. I go to work every day. She goes to school Monday through Friday. They go to the supermarket every Saturday. We go on vacation every summer. If you noticed, in these sentences, we used a little more detail. We described when we do these things, when we go to these places. Or you can use more details like the specific place that you go. For example, the name of your school. I go to Main Street High School. We cannot just say, I go to school. This is incomplete. We use present tense when we are giving more details, like when or where. I go to school is too general. You go to school when or where. It's incomplete. Or if you are describing the noun in more detail, for example, using an adjective to describe your school. I go to a great school. Next verb. To have. To have is an irregular verb. Instead of just adding an S or an ES, we have to drop the ending letters for he, she, and it. I have. You have. For he, she, it, we take away the V and the E and then add S. So it becomes he has. She has. It has. We have. And they have. Let's use this verb in some sentences. They have a car. Or we can add an adjective. They have a nice car. I have 2 children. She has 10 books. He has a new toy. The dog has a blue collar. The dog is it. We can also say it has a blue collar. For practice, write some sentences using these 3 verbs in present tense in the comments below. Thanks for watching.